So hello, thanks everyone for tuning again on the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. My name is Martin and in this episode we're going to use the new DECON Mint Splash and Wash car wash shampoo as a snow foam soap. So watch this video to the end to see how those results are. So what you need for good quality snow foam is, for the minimum, a good quality pressure washer that gives you 120 bars. You want to have your bottle that's under your snow foam lens halfly filled with warm water. Then we're gonna try this one. It's the first time. I'm gonna do it anyway with this shampoo. 90 mLs, so 1 to 10 on 900 mLs of lukewarm water. And when the 90 ml of shampoo is here, we're gonna fill it up with cold water. So we have perfectly mixture of lukewarm water and in this case the Mint Splash and Wash car shampoo. So that's what you need minimum, as well as when the snow foam lens is on top of the bottle, you want to make sure that the valve is completely closed. So it cannot take any false air inside it, which really makes a difference between thin or thick snow foam. So if you follow these 3 bullet points, you will always have good quality, thick clinging snow foam. That's a good pre-clean, pre-wash of your car. So let's fill it up with the shampoo and see how we go. So the bottle is now half filled. It's a 1 liter bottle, so it's filled with half a liter with warm water. Just did that. Pour in 90 ml until the next dash of snow foam shampoo. I think we hit it now. Here we go. We are now here. Then we're going to go to the water tap and we're going to fill it up until the top line with slowly running water, because otherwise you have foam everywhere. I'm going to put my hand on top. I'm going to give it a good mixture. Twist on the foam lens on the bottle. Let me switch on the pressure washer. Click on the foam lens on the nozzle. What I always do, I'm gonna first do it on the side of the car, not touching the car, like this. So for some reason this is not a good connection. I don't want my foam lens to shoot on the car that I'm working on. I would say that's some nice and clinging peppermint smelling snow foam. Yeah. So on purpose, I will twist open the valve on top to show you how it looks like if you don't close it. That's not the kind of snow foam that we like. So I'm going to close it again. Normally, I always like a snow foam to run off in approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Taking down on-lying dirt and detergents. Dust, particles, traffic film. Of course, in the previous video we gave it a hand wash, so there shall not be so many dirt here. But yeah, we can check out contact time, which is working for you and for us as well. We can see here already the first clean sections. And we're now approximately 1 minute on the way. I'm not sure if you can catch this here on camera, but you can see a little bit here these oily kind of streaks. And that oily kind of streaks here also, maybe it depends a little bit on light, tells us something about the sulfates, which are in this product. Here it's as well. that really create that slickness like your car has been waxed. Of course, we're gonna rinse it off and give it a dry. But this is, yeah, what the mint splash and wash does. Yeah, we're now on 4 minutes of contact time. And I think pretty much this is it. It's still dripping, as we can see. But my impression is that the DECON Snow Foam concentrate does it faster. So yes, perfectly, you can use DECON Mint Splash and Wash shampoo in your foam lens, but the Snow Foam concentrate will do the trick faster. But hey, if you got one bottle on hand and you want to do both hand washing and snow foaming, why not? It works. Let me disconnect the foam lens. We can pretty also see that we used half a bottle. So if you fill up 1 liter bottle, you can actually do 2 medium-sized cars. And it still smells awesome in here. So, bullet points on using DECON Mint Splash and Wash car shampoo in your foam lens is add 90 to 100 ml up to 900 ml of lukewarm water. Then twist on your foam lens on the bottle. Make sure the valve is completely closed. Then attach it to your pressure washer. And off you go, having fixed snow foam that clings on for minimal 4 minutes. So that's all about it. See you guys and girls in the next video. Bye bye.